Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making black bean dace fried rice with zucchini. So let's review the ingredients here. I have a day-old cooked rice, and here I'm using a can of a fried dace with the salted black beans. It has a really rich, earthy flavor, and I saw this at the market and I had to pick it up because it reminded me of a fried rice that my grandmother used to make for us. And here we have baby zucchini, and you can certainly use a regular zucchini, seasoning salt mix, green onion, cilantro, yellow onion, garlic, ginger, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. For the prep, we're going to start off with the canned fish. I'm just going to take a pair of kitchen shears, and I'm just cutting them into small bite-sized pieces here. Okay, so that looks good enough. Let's put this aside. Next, let's cut the zucchini. I'm going to cut them in half, and then in little pieces. They're like maybe a 1/4 inch slices. And I'm using the stem and all. It's all edible. Okay, so that's done. And next we'll cut the yellow onion. We'll do a mince. And we'll also mince the ginger and the garlic together. Okay, that's good. Next we'll mince the green onion. And the same with the cilantro, just do a quick mince. We're using the stem and all. Okay, so now all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have my wok set at medium heat. And the first thing we're going to do is fry up the dace. And I want to slowly crisp up the fish. So I'm going to let this fry up for a couple minutes. And this is going to add a nice crispy, crunchy texture to the fried rice. Okay, that looks really good. So let's remove it from the pan. And I'm putting back some of the oil from the fish. And we'll use this to saute the onions, ginger, and garlic. I'll turn the heat up to medium-high. We'll saute this for about 30 seconds until your onions soften up a little bit. Next we'll add the zucchini. Give this a quick toss. little bit of the seasoning salt here. A little bit of sesame oil. And we'll stir fry this for about a minute. You don't want to overcook the zucchini. You want to have a slight crunchy texture. And this looks really good. So let's remove this from the pan. Okay, so next we're going to add a bit of oil and the cooked rice. So I just spread it out a bit. And I'm turning down the heat to a medium. And break up any clumps of rice. And we'll let this sit for about 30 seconds. Toss it. And let this side sit for another 30 seconds. And that looks really good. So I'm going to add the fried dace and the zucchini. And the fried dace has a sufficient amount of sodium in it. I'm not adding any more seasoning salt or using soy sauce. Give this a good toss. Combine all the flavors here. I'm going to add a bit of the Shaoxing wine here. And stir fry this for about a minute to combine all the flavors. And this looks great. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm adding the green onion and the cilantro. And the residual heat will be enough to kind of cook away the rawness of the green onions and cilantro. Just toss this to mix it up, like 15 seconds. Okay, and this is done. Let's plate this. And here we have a plate of black bean dace fried rice with zucchini. It has a wonderful earthy flavor from the black beans and the crunchy texture of the fried dace. This is a fabulous one meal dish with protein, vegetables, and carbs. Enjoy! Okay, most importantly, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, she likes fried dace. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.